Hi, welcome everyone to channel. In this video I am going to show you how to customize your home screen. In this tutorial I am using home screen customization tweaks, Atria and Soda HS modded and bubblegum remix graph theme, Sprint-to-My 5, snowboard, HTML and sys 18 plus SKY51. So I am basically use Atria, bubblegum and snowboard. Let's dive into our tutorial. First, you need to open your Cydia or Zebra. I am using Zebra. Then search the Atria. I will put the link in the description. Here's the Atria. It is a powerful layout editor for iOS 14 and also iOS 15. After you install it, you need to go back and search on the Zebra to bubblegum remix graph theme. A bubblegum also that has a bubblegum theme and also bubblegum remix. I used bubblegum remix for this video. So now you need to go to your settings, then snowboard, then the select theme to bubblegum. I'll scroll down my theme. Is bubblegum remix, then apply. Now you can see the bubblegum theme has been activated. Now I'm going to show you how to customize this theme with Atria. To open the Atria, you need to triple tap on your home screen, then it will open. Then I'll choose the icon size. You can size your icon scales. This one is wet. Then also you can adjust your dock icon size. Then you can adjust it. It's really work. Now I will show you other options on the Atria home screen. Then you can adjust the row height, so row spaces, and columns. You can adjust it with the 2 columns and maximum level. That is the beauty of this tweak. Then widget scales and also top incent, and also you can adjust the bottom inset. These options are help to make your iPhone home screen customizations very friendly. This is widget scale. Also you can hide the widget, and also you can hide your desktop icons, home screen icons on your iPhone. Make sure you need to open this tweak enable. You need to tap on 3 times on your home screen. This is left intent, and also I will show you the right inset. Here's the bottom inset. This is very useful software for the jailbreak community. And also the right, you can adjust right inset and icon space. Here I can adjust my icon space, and icon space with Y angle, and also page left offset I can adjust. and also page right offset, and also widget X offset. With this tweak, you can make your home screen as you wish and your dream. This is Y offset for the widget. Now let's see the widget part, how to adjust the dock. This is the top inset. You can adjust your widgets to the top inset, and also you can hide it. Someone use this as a security for the iPhone. They will hide the icons, and no one can find where's the icon, and there's no settings to enable. Only the person who know the triple tap on home screen, then he can back his icons to appear on the iPhone home screen. Is the bottom inset, and also you can adjust the right inset. And next I will show you the how to adjust columns on our dock. Is the column, I can adjust it to one column. It will drop down our icons to next line. Again dock, then also row, and also I can adjust the icon size, icon scales. You will see it before. And also I can adjust the background opacity level of the dock. And icons with the X scale, and also icon space in Y scale. This is the beauty of this tweak. Yeah, I will came to default look. I can adjust my default icons. I'll turn off my tweak theme. Then here is the dock icon. I reset it, and also I will set the home screen icons to small. That's it for the today video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and also tap on the bell icon to get instant update. And also I will show you how to build best desktop customization with next video. And also you can comment your customization video on my comment section. And bye for now, see you soon.